Hi everyone, this is your host from Ideation. Today we are looking at Arena Code, a sports code booking app we have developed for our esteemed client. The Sports Code Booking app is a digital platform designed to make reserving sports facilities like tennis courts, basketball courts, soccer fields, and other athletic venues simple and convenient. The sports venue booking app market is exploding. This year alone, it's expected to reach a massive 9.15 billion. And that's not all. It's projected to grow even faster, hitting 15.76 billion by 2029. That's a growth rate of 11.46% every year. Let's take a look at Arena Code. After you download the app from Google or Apple App Store, it will take you here. We are now looking at the sign up screen. For super quick access, we've got options to sign up with Google or Apple, or you can go the traditional route with an email and password. If you already have an account, click on Sign In. The Google and Apple sign-in options are available. This is great for people who hate remembering yet another password. And for those who prefer to stick with email, the process looks straightforward. If you've forgotten your password, click on Forget Password. Then you just need to enter your email address and the app will send you a 6-digit verification code. Add the verification code and click Next. Now set up the new password and click on Submit. Pretty straightforward. Let's move on to the next part. Now we are looking at the dashboard. The dashboard gives you a quick rundown of how your code's doing. You can see your balance, how much money is coming in, and what's going out. There's also a breakdown of bookings. Users can see how busy they are, which days are popular, and even track their income over time. This is super helpful for planning your schedule and figuring out your busiest times. Users can easily jump into their booking schedule, check out their calendars, and manage their code bookings directly from the dashboard. Next, let's check out this calendar view. You can see a whole week at glance, which is super handy for planning and scheduling. Look at how easy it is to switch between days, weeks, or months. Perfect for different planning needs. And the different colors for each code make it super easy to keep track. Plus, you can add bookings right from here. Just click the Add a Booking button, then click on the time slot you want. If you want to add participants, click on the Add Participant button. You can invite friends or let people sign up themselves. You can also change the payment method for a booking. Maybe you just want to use a different card for this one. Just click on the payment method drop down and select your preferred option. Once you are done, click Add and you've got your code booked. Alright, let's look into the booking section. This is where you can keep track of all your coach reservations. You can see a quick overview of your total bookings and a graph showing how many bookings you've had. The list below shows all the booking details. You can see the booking ID, which courts are booked, who's playing, and the payment method. You can easily filter your bookings by date or code. There's also a handy Add Booking button so you can quickly add new reservations. This is the profile section and it is where you can update your personal and contact details. You can upload a photo of yourself and the image will be displayed on your profile. Clicking on the Save button will save all the changes that you have made in the basic info section. In the opening hours section, you can add multiple opening hours for a single day by clicking on the plus button. You can also remove an opening hour by clicking on the trash icon. You can enable or disable a day by switching next to the day of the week. You can set your services by clicking on the service offer. The user can see the list of services along with details such as service type, port number, activity, price, and booking time duration. You can also add services by clicking on Add Service button and a pop-up will appear and you can fill in the details. When you go to settings, you can easily manage your password, team and log. Here you can easily set up a new password. The team section shows you the team details and you can check the team activity in the logs. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this app. What do you like about it? Let me know in the comments below.